In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sync Trello with Google Sheets. To do this, you will use Zapier, which is a tool that connects different apps so they can share information automatically. Before you begin, make sure you can sign into your Zapier account and that you have access to both your Trello Workspace and the Google account that owns the Google Sheets you want to use. Start by going to the Zapier homepage. Once you are logged in, look at the left side navigation and click on App Connections. This is where Zapier keeps a list of all the apps you have linked to your account. Connecting your apps first helps later, because it makes building your automation faster and smoother. On the App Connections page, click Add Connection. You may see this option more than once depending on your screen layout, but it will take you to the same place. When the connection window opens, click into the search field, then type Trello. Select Trello from the results. Zapier will guide you through authorizing the connection. Follow the prompts to allow Zapier to access your Trello account. This permission is necessary so Zapier can read activity from your boards and work with your cards. After Trello is connected, return to the Add Connection option again. Click Add Connection, click into the search field, and this time type Google Sheets. Choose Google Sheets from the list. Just like with Trello, Zapier will ask you to sign in and approve access. Complete the authorization so Zapier can create, update, or add rows in your spreadsheets when your Trello data changes. Once both connections are in place, look back to the left navigation and click Zaps. Zaps are the automations you create in Zapier, and this is where you begin setting up the actual sync between Trello and Google Sheets. In the Zaps area, click into the Search or Creation field and type a name for what you are building, or type a keyword related to your workflow. Then click Start Building. This opens the Zap editor, where you will choose your Trello trigger and your Google Sheets action in the next part of the setup. And that covers everything you need to know.